Do you want to know how to get crystal clear skin? Stay tuned with me till the very end of this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Tabishi, girl next door. About 5 healthy habits that all of you can easily start doing, can easily adopt to get crystal clear skin. We all know that all of us ultimately want to achieve that crystal clear skin which has no pigmentation, which has no acne marks, but it's honestly impossible to achieve so, because we are humans, this is our skin and there is going to be flaws here and there. So before I start this video, I want to highlight the point that we all should learn to accept our flaws. But of course, वो तो करना ही है, but again, you want a crystal clear skin, then you obviously have to work hard for that. And I'm going to tell you the 5 things that you can do in this new year to achieve crystal clear skin. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the very first thing that I want to tell is that only applying stuff to your face is not going to really help you, because as I always say that just without doing your skincare, your makeup can't look good on you. Usi tarha, just applying products on your face can't really clear out your skin, because skin really reflects what you eat. And I think 50%, oh no, honestly I feel 70% is what you eat and 30% is what you apply, because these are external products and external products can't really cure everything. Do not fall for the marketing strategies of every product. Know that you have to first take care of your skin from the internally, and then you can apply the external products and then enhance whatever you are eating and not eating. So I'm going to split this video in 2 parts. First I'm going to talk about the internal habits that you should do, and then I'm going to talk about the external habits, and then we will summarize of course this video. Okay, so the internal part I want to talk about 2 or 3 products probably, because I'm not going to make this video really heavy on you. So the very first thing that you should do is to drink water. I know everybody has been saying this and we all have heard about this. Dermats suggest this, we read it everywhere. You ask any celebrity, they'll say they'll drink a lot of water. But practicality is that all of us, just fail to do so. Which is true. I also I try to drink water, and then ek din aata hai jab I'm like, I'm not drinking water. I just get bored and I don't feel like drinking it. Which makes sense. But what I want to say is that drinking water is really something that is the easiest that you can do. Because, if you can't really drink, honestly, 8 glasses of water is what you should drink. But if you can't make it to 8, at least, reach out for 5 glasses of water, because water really just detoxifies your body, okay? It just eliminates all the toxins from your body. Then now you will not have the pressure to eat right, because water is going to take care of whatever you are eating. So it is the easiest thing to do. I know very, very easiest in the sense that it is the simplest thing to do, but I know it's a bit difficult. But at least keep it in your mind that you have to drink water. So even if 8 glass nahi ho pa raha, even if you're not reaching to 8 glasses, at least 5 or 6 you're doing, it's gonna maintain your internal health. It's gonna help you with your skin, and internally your skin will glow. It is a miraculous thing to do. So just give it a try. Number 2 is an alternative, not an alternative, but thoda sa I think it's like a solution to people who really can't drink water. Although I still stand with the point that you should drink water. It is very necessary even for your internal health. Like healthy rehne ke liye bhi drinking water is really important, not just for your skin. But if you're just not having so much of water, then make sure that early morning when you wake up, you have a glass of warm water, and if you can, add lemon in it. Yes, lemon water, drink it guys, because it is again a very good detoxifier. It's gonna just take away all the toxins from your body, and your skin is gonna feel really, really good. It also helps in weight loss. Even drinking water helps in weight loss. So it just has good things to offer. So just try it. If you can't drink 8 glass of water, at least start having lemon water or warm water in the morning after you wake up. And the third and the final thing that I want to suggest for internal healthy habit is to have and add a lot of vitamin C intake in your food. So vegetables, fruits, anything that has vitamin C in it is again a detoxifier, like I suggested lemon water. So the whole point is कि internal body को detoxified रखना है. Now there are multiple ways of doing it, but I'm just suggesting you the simplest things that you can do. वैसे तो you can have beetroot का juice, you can have amla, and on and all and all. But you know, whatever suits you, just promise to yourself that you want to have that vitamin C का intake थोड़ा सा at least in a day, and just see the difference. Your skin will feel good. If you have acne especially, right, it's gonna help you so much. All the detoxifying is just gonna help you get that clear skin, and all the hydration that I'm saying internally, like the water and the warm water, is gonna hydrate your skin. So it is really, it's amazing, these things. I know it's very common to read everywhere, and probably I'm not telling a very different thing, but just make it a point that you do it. And for vitamin C, I think oranges, lemon, amla, you know, anything, whatever you like, just pick that up and just, you know, start having it. Now that we have detoxified the body and we have given the body the proper amount of hydration, whatever we put on our face is gonna help us achieve results, better results, and faster results, okay? So the very first thing that I want to suggest for external product is, it is no biggie, it is not an expensive product. It is to use cold water in the morning after you wake up to wash your face. Right, guys, it's so, I mean, I think you must have heard about ice facials using cold water, all those things. I do not suggest you to directly like take out the ice from the freezer and just directly rub it. But I do suggest you to probably keep it outside for some time and then use it. Or the easiest thing is just to take out the fridge ka water, and morning mein when you wake up, after you're done brushing, just splash a lot of cold water on your face. What it does is it closes your pores, and pores close rehna is such a big thing to achieve, because then you are not gonna get pimples and pores are gonna be clean and you'll have a crystal clear skin. So easy peasy thing to do, right? Especially if it's not cold in your area. So just early morning, utho, brush karo, and just splash a good amount of cold water on your face and see the difference. You're gonna love it. Trust me. And the last and the final suggestion that I have for all of you guys is to hydrate. Yes, you have to hydrate internally, and then you obviously have to hydrate externally. Use a moisturizer. Oily skin, dry skin, sensitive, combination, or normal, whatever skin type you are, do not be under the impression that you do not need a moisturizer. You need a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type, but you need hydration. If you're not going to hydrate your skin externally, it is never going to stay healthy. You can't do 10-step skincare. I get you. You cannot, take care of your skin. You can't mask. I get your point, but moisturize. Anything, guys. If you're extremely dry, use just oil. If you are combination, if you are sensitive, whatever your dermat is suggesting, or whatever cream is suiting you, whatever moisturizer is helping you, use that. But moisturize. It is very, very, very important. You cannot leave your face without applying a moisturizer. It is a big no. You can't do it. It will damage your skin over the years, and it's not gonna help you. So just moisturize. So that's all, guys. It was a super simple, super short, and a super doable video that I wanted to make. There are more things that I can suggest, of course, and there are more things that you can do for having like a specific skin concern. But these were the points that are so common and we read it everywhere, yet we ignore it, and hence I wanted to sit here and talk about it, because the results of doing this is amazing, and I have seen it personally on my skin, and that is why I'm suggesting this to all of you guys. I mean, I can make an elaborate video where I can tell, okay, if you have this concern and then do this, which probably I will. because if there are people who want to put effort in their skincare, but this was a general video which I wanted to make, wherein I have just summarized all the things that anybody can do, and which is just super simple to do. So just try it out, guys. Try it out and let me know in the comment section below if it really worked or if it did not work. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do not forget to hit that like button, share my channel and subscribe to it. I will be up soon in my next video. Till that time, take care, bye bye, be beautiful, keep hydrating yourself, and yeah, stay happy. Namaste.